Nyalin's first bath. Oh, look at our baby. Why are you crying so much? Why are you crying so much? Here we go. Just to make sure it's like, well, obviously, you know. She is not gonna like this. Baby, this is a highlight moment for you.
Bring me like a little cup.
Look at her. A little cup. Gonna get a little cup for Nyalin. My baby's taking her first shower. I mean bath.
She's chilling.
Oh, she's chilling? Here. Excuse me. Here. Put it over there. Oh, my baby. Hold on, let me get over here so I can like... Naya! She's like, what is this? She didn't even get what's going on.
Especially it's now hot.
Let me feel it. Oh, hell yeah. Gotta pick that up more. Oh, hell yeah. A lot more.